Welcome to NTM video from the old market town of Howden in East Yorkshire. Howden is dominated by its beautiful Minster and its Georgian town centre with narrow cobbled streets, which we're going to go and see shortly. It once belonged to the Bishops of Durham until 1846. So without further ado, let's jump in. Guys, look at this. Doesn't this look marvellous? So this is the eastern part of the old Minster that fell into disrepair and ruins because there was controversy over who was responsible for its maintenance. And the Minster then became a parish church, and it is moved directly behind it, which we'll go and see shortly. But doesn't it look marvellous? Here's a picture of what it looked like. Wow. So they actually moved parts of this area back into the church, and it was walled off. And we're going to go round shortly and see the Minster itself. Pretty amazing. The ruins are now in the hands of the English Heritage, by the way. I'm told there's a 135-foot tower here that you can visit and get views of the surrounding area. I shall have to try that one day. Guys, we have someone playing the flute. Let's go and listen. Can you see these narrow cobbled streets? Aren't they lovely? Some great buildings too. You've got lots of cafes, bars and restaurants. And this place here, Florina's Italian restaurant, I've actually been. It's excellent. Here's an interesting fact for you. One of the town's residents was a guy called Neville Shute, author of A Town Like Alice. And he also happened to be an aeronautical engineer that helped build the R100 airship at Brayton, just up the road. Look at this place, the Tailor's Chalk, Howden's smallest pub.
Oh, of course. No. Seems like
Here's a great little cafe, the Badger and Bean. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.